Tired of standard insert bits that break and bend? Hit back with ImpactX. ImpactX is a new line of insert bits and fastening accessories engineered to stand up to the extreme power of hard-hitting, high-torque drills and impact drivers. Each ImpactX bit is equipped with 3 features: precision machined tips, not forged, for superior fitment and reduced cam out; performance optimized S2 steel for extended life; and each bit goes through a calibrated heat treating process for added durability. ImpactX has a wide selection of bits and fastening accessories.
I like them. They work very well. They last all day. They're very durable. The screw fit very well into the bit. They drove in, and the lifespan on it was very good. Definitely, I would recommend this to all my friends and all my coworkers.
Long reach bit makes me utilize my tool differently, so I can adjust towards my project and actually see more of what's going on instead of having my drill real close, so I enjoyed it.
Trouble finding a place to put your bits away safely and securely? No problem. Makita has created a new Expand storage system that keeps everything organized and within reach. With a store-all cylinder can in the spine of the case, this system is efficient and a must-have for HVAC, electricians, woodworkers, remodelers, and any pro contractor who requires a best-in-class engineered impact bit set.